In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to package your presentation in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for an important meeting or need to share your work with colleagues, packaging your presentation ensures that it plays seamlessly on any computer, even those without PowerPoint. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is the starting point of our journey, so go ahead, launch the program, and let it load. If you already have a presentation open, fantastic. Otherwise, find your file by clicking on File in the top navigation bar, then selecting Open to locate your presentation. Now that your presentation is open, we'll navigate to the File tab in the upper left corner of the screen. The File tab is where you'll find a variety of options related to saving, exporting, and sharing your presentation. Click on it, and a menu will slide out from the left side. Here you'll notice different options, but the one we're focused on today is Export. Once you've clicked on Export, the next step is to select Package Presentation for CD. This option is particularly useful for creating a portable presentation. Even though CDs aren't as commonly used as they once were, packaging for CD format ensures your presentation includes all necessary media and fonts, so it looks just right wherever you show it. In the Package Presentation for CD window, click on Package for CD. It's important to select this option rather than the others, as it's specifically designed to make sure that all the pieces of your presentation, including special fonts, videos or audio clips, are properly included in the final package. Next, you'll want to click Copy to CD. If you've got a blank CD ready, this option will copy everything directly onto it. However, if CDs aren't your preferred method, don't worry, this function is still valuable for creating a comprehensive package, which you can alternatively save onto a USB drive or another storage medium. At this point, you might be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to proceed with copying. When this happens, simply click Yes. Confirming ensures that your presentation, along with all its components, is included in the packaged file. And there you have it. You've now successfully packaged your PowerPoint presentation, making it ready for any environment or setup, and you can rest assured knowing it will maintain its intended appearance and functionality no matter where it's presented. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on getting the most out of your PowerPoint presentations.